Welcome guys. If you want to hide games and trophies from other players on the PS5, at the first you have to move for the right upper corner on your icon profile, then enter. Right now move for the trophies, enter one more time, and right now we have to tap on the options button on our controller, then move to the privacy settings and scroll for the hidden games. Right now we have to scroll down for our activity and then enter the hide our games from other players. And right now, as you can see in the preview, when we hide a game, other people won't see it, even when they are checking our profile or trophy list. So right now you have to simply select the game and then tap on the X to turn on the switcher. And right now from FIFA 20, Call of Duty and Need for Speed, nobody is going to see our trophies or the game. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.